Him again, part 7 of 10. "I'm going out tonight," Michael said. This statement usually drew less suspicion if he yelled it from another room. "Where to?" Angie sounded angry. "An open house. The library reopened, so... Want to come?" There was no chance of that happening, but he changed the subject anyway as he neared the door. "Did you smoke in here today?" "Better get used to it." "Why?" Whenever she knew she was right, she paused for an obscene amount of time before answering. "It just so happens that I signed a petition to allow smoking indoors in city businesses." "What? When?" "The other night. Some chick had me sign my name, address, number. You're not even a registered voter." "So?" "So you just gave some stranger your info." "She wasn't no weirdo." "They're never going to reverse that law." "Maybe I will go with you tonight." If he reacted, she'd suspect something and follow through. "Fine, put something nice on at least." "How nice?" "Not those sweats. Or jeans." "Like a dress?" He could write out this bluff as long as he needed to. "Sure, when was the last time you wore a dress?" While Angie pondered this, Michael's thoughts returned to Sarah. She probably wore dresses a few times a week. Sensible ones to work in. Fancy yet conservative styles for nights like tonight. He bet she had more than one little black dress in her closet. He'd buy her more. He'd buy her everything. How easy it was to hoard his money from Angie, knowing someday he would spend it on Sarah. He waited on the couch as his girlfriend lumbered up the steps to her closet. If he left now, would she follow him? If things went as planned, this would be the last night of their relationship anyway. He'd change the locks and spend a week at his parents' house. Unless things with Sarah happened as quickly as they had with Angie. He'd stay with her. She would protect him from the craziness. Angie finally folded and spouted a final insult about book nerds, so Michael slipped out the door. Parking was a mess, but he had all night. He didn't need to see Sarah until festivities were wrapping up, so over the course of an hour he positioned his car closer and closer to the branch. And hers. "I'm allowed to be here. I'm allowed to be here." He took little hops to loosen his adrenaline before entering. "I'm allowed to be here," he whispered as he pulled open the heavy door.